Hi friends, my name is Santosh Chandrakant Sonone, class BSc second year, third sem, late Pushpa Devi, Patil's Arts and Science College Resort. My seminar name is Vaseper Theory. First point, Vaseper Theory. The Vesper theory assumes that each atom in a molecule will achieve a geometry that minimizes the repulsion between electrons in the valence shell of that atom. Repulsion between these pairs of electrons can be minimized by arranging them so that they point opposite direction. The second point, Vaseper rules. Vaseper rules identify the central atom. Second, count its valence electron. Third, add one electron for each bonding atom. 4. Add or subtract electron for charge. See top tip. 5. Divide the total of this by 2 to find the total. 6. Number of the electron pairs. 7th. Use this number to predict the shape. The third point, structure of molecules with regular geometry. Chemical bonding and molecular structure. Regular geometry. The molecules in which the central atom is surrounded only by similarly bonded electrons pairs will have regular geometries. The central atom should have no lone pair of electrons and should be bonded to all similar atoms. The fourth one, structure of molecules with distorted geometry. According to this theory, we can find out the geometry of molecules by the number of electron pairs surrounding their central atom. In water molecules, as we know, there are two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Therefore, water has a bent structure of thus it considered distorted tetrahedral. The fifth point, structure of CF2 molecules. The structure of CF2 has three atoms around the central atom. There are no lone pairs on the central atom. The Vasever notation of the molecules is AX3. The sixth point, structures of SO4 molecules. The shape of the molecules is a distorted trigonal bipyramid with the oxygen found on the equator. The atoms on the equator have shorter bond length than the fluorine atom. On the axis, the sulfur-oxygen bond is 1.409 A. ASF bond on the axis has length 1.59 A and the SF bond on the equator has length 1.539 A. This is a SOF4 structure. Thank you.